Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to cook this mouth-watering black chicken curry. This is an authentic Sri Lankan recipe. I am sure you will love it. Look at the color of the chicken. It looks delicious. And of course it is. Okay, let's make it. Okay, let's find out the ingredients we need. We need 1 kilogram of chicken, 1 tablespoon of tamarind, some curry leaves, 1 garlic and 2 inches size of ginger, 1 medium size of red onion, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, but if you like it more spicier, you can use 1 or more tablespoons of chili powder. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use any other cooking oil. And I am going to make a special curry powder for this. To make this curry powder, I need 6 cardamom and 6 cloves and 1 inch size of cinnamon and half teaspoon of fennel, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 star anise, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. To prepare the special curry powder, let's heat a pan and dry roast some spices. I am putting the fennel here, and cumin and coriander, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, star anise. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes until spices are well roasted. When they are roasted, they will become golden color like this. Don't burn them. Okay, let's take it out of the pan. Put the spices into a grinder cup and put the pepper as well, and let's grind them. Okay, our spice mixture is ready. To get the dark color of the chicken, we need to roast the chili powder as well. So let's put the chili powder onto a heated pan and let's stir it and let it roast until it become dark brown. It's ready when the chili powder is dark brown like this. Let's cut the chicken. If the sizes are smaller, then it would be tasty. Chicken is nicely cut and ready. Let's marinate it. First, put some water into the tamarind and make it soft and remove the seeds. Leaving seeds is okay as well, but you can't eat the seeds, so I'm going to remove them. If you want, instead of this, you can use tamarind paste as well. Just take 1 tablespoon. Add the tamarind paste to the chicken. Add roasted chili powder. Add the curry powder. Add the turmeric powder. Add the salt and mix it very well. Let's put it aside to marinate. Chop the ginger. Chop the garlic. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use ginger garlic paste as well. Just take 2 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste is ready. Let's separate the curry leaves out of the stem and cut the onion. Okay, let's cook. To cook the chicken curry, I am using a pan which is 25 centimeters wide and it's 10 centimeters high. Let's heat the pan and put the coconut oil in there. When the oil is heated, put the ginger garlic paste, onions and curry leaves. Let them fry for 2 to 3 minutes. When the onions fry, the smell is really nice. Okay, garlic and onions are nicely fried. Let's put the chicken in there. Mix it very well. And put the 2 cups of water. Close the lid and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check the chicken. It's nicely cooked. Check the salt and put more salt if you want. Switch off the cooker and let it be on the cooker for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes you can see the chicken is colored really nicely and all the chicken pieces are blended with the spices really nicely and it smells so good. Let's serve the dish. If you like this recipe, please comment and share with your friends. Post the photos of your dish in our Facebook page. Most importantly, subscribe and support. Thank you very much.